Model, 63-plate Mercedes Sprinter 313 CDI 3.5T Long EU5. Body, black, Luton, box. Mileage, 178126. MOT, the 5th of March 2025. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 129 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: this has had an engine replacement. The gearbox has not yet been fitted and is in the back of the van. The old engine is also in the back of the van. Not sure what's what or whether the engine is good, but everything looks okay, take it as it is, grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.